Tired of boring link in bio tools? This free AI-powered funnel builder transforms your bio link into a clean, persuasive, mobile-optimized sales page in under 60 seconds. Promote your Shopify product, affiliate offer, or handmade creation and convert more clicks into buyers. Just fill in a few details, and the AI generates a custom headline, call to action, benefits, and social caption, all styled for social media. It's fast, free, and easy. Copy the funnel link into your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube bio. No coding, no complicated builders, just high-converting AI-generated copy that works. This AI-powered tool creates a clean, high-converting funnel page for your social media bio without needing tech skills. To use, choose what you're promoting, fill in the product name and description, paste your product link, select a funnel style, and let the AI generate your content. Then, copy the page URL into your bio. It's a mobile-optimized mini landing page to sell one product. It's 100% free with no credit card required. Use it with any product and create as many funnels as you want. No account or login is needed. You can use the tool for clients and track clicks using tools like Bitly. There's no catch, and it's totally free to use. Try it out now and boost your online presence.